and indeed the Firth of Forth. The island has many nesting seabirds, and apart from thousands of herring and blackback gulls, there are kittiwakes, fulmars, cormorants, oyster catchers, and eider duck. But the star of the show is the comical little puffins. They have established a small colony on the island who come ashore here to nest between April and July every year. If you should venture out to the ends of the islands during the nesting season, take care that you're not attacked by the gulls, as they become understandably aggressive if you get too close to their nests or their young.